Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new AX3000 range extender. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, so let's go ahead and open it up. So if you got like a lot of dead spots or anything like that, or you're trying to get some more coverage in a certain room, this should help. It does go up to, I believe it was 3,000 megabytes per second. Very cool. 4 antennas on there. Should be plug and play. It's got an IP address on there. You can hardwire it up to a laptop, desktop, or anything like that. You also get like a quick start guide as well on how to set it up. So let's go ahead and hook it up. I'm probably going to get it as close as I can to my desktop that I have here, just for better steady connections, and we'll see how that works. The setup was really easy. You didn't have to download an app or anything. Once you got it set up, like I said, it is 2,400 megabytes on 5G and 600 megabytes on 2.4G for that dual band Wi-Fi boost. It's perfect for 8K video streaming and those action-packed games as well. Plus, it can handle up to 100 devices at once. And for your wired devices, it does have that gigabit Ethernet port that speeds up connections 10 times faster than any standard Ethernet port. All right, guys, so there you have it. I have it hooked up right now. It's right back here. So if you're looking for like a way to kind of like help with those dead spots, or you're just trying to get a little bit more steady connection in certain rooms that just don't, the Wi-Fi just doesn't seem to get there, definitely look into this range extender. That Ethernet port does support up to 1 gig. So like I said, you can hardwire things on there as well. And it does cover up to 13,000 square feet. So if you guys are looking for a new range extender, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.